I know you're all. Whoop. I did that the other day. Scared the crap out of Keon. He's like, whoa, what the? Whoa, that was kind of cool. I'm like, yeah, but I was a little higher. Yeah, Frank, you're kind of low, don't you think? And you're all, no. All right, I gotta check that. I can't even see in there. Do I see red now? No. Yes, it wasn't on, but it is now. All right. What the hell are you doing? Too freaking low. We too low, banging ow. All right.
Throttle cut. Normal mode. Take off flaps. Timer cleared. Gear up. Flaps up.
Oh my God, look at that burner!
That's right!
Fire with booty!
Probably gonna stay close for this one. It likes this pack, holy crap.
Oh yeah.
Time remaining. 3 minutes.
The new China Hobbyline 40C.
Oh yeah.
I didn't even get a run up for that climb. I just started climbing. If I get a run, it'll go even higher.
Yeah, that last, I flew, what did I fly with the China Hobbyline 40C pack? And it was really happy. I think it was this SU.
Yeah, oh yeah, you're right.
It was happy. I was like, okay.
Oh, the black label? I don't think I'm making the 4 minute timer on this one.
Time remaining. 2
I'm stopping at 3. You see if I can do the Frankie spin. Oh, that's weird. There we go. It wants to stop itself, have you noticed? Yeah, it tries to stop it. Oh, that's the problem. I was hitting aileron. If you just hit rudder, it does it. Okay. I'm gonna call that the Frankie roll. See, look, I don't hit any aileron. Oh, weird. Okay, now that's a new trick I gotta try from now on. The Frankie
Time
roll.
remaining. 1 minute.
All right, that battery's toast.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Toasted and roasted, baby.
Flaps up.
I am sure that battery is not happy with me.
30 seconds.
Whew. Fly like an idiot.
Gear.
Toasted and roasted, baby. Yeah, it's a little warm. It's a little warm. It's not hot though, it's just warm. Let's see what that's at after that crazy man flight. Yeah, I'm still good. 375 across the board. Cool. Oh bueno. Now let's fly like an idiot with the Hawk.